of tourism and hospitality, as well as the basic subjects of management. Recently, I am associated with IHM PUSA and ITC Hospitality Management Institute, also as a management consultant. I am on the panel of IGNOU Board of Studies, and I'm also a part of the various entrepreneurship development programs related to hospitality and tourism sector. Along with this, we have the Tourism and Hospitality Skill Council, of small skill-based courses, both for the empowerment of rural manpower and in the urban areas. So I'm part of that initiative also, imparting different skill trainings as well as short-term trainings to various budding entrepreneurs. As far as the subject that I'm going to discuss with you as a part of the curriculum is the first subject, management functions and behavior. And we will study this subject from the changing perspective, as well as how organizations are with new policies, structure and functions to meet the challenges of pandemic. I congratulate you all again, and you're very fortunate that under the guidance of Dr. Anshu, you will be pursuing your MSc program. She is a great researcher, and she always comes up with a lot of research articles, and there is a research journal of IHM PUSA. So we look forward to your contribution, your skill enhancement, and help you out to groom yourself professionally and excel in this, both in the academic environment as well as in the hospitality environment. So I think this is a brief introduction, and wish you good luck, and we'll have a good journey together, and we'll enjoy our curriculum. Thank you, Dr. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your kind words. We really look forward that the new batch would enthusiastically learn and take the teachings from you. You have been this program, ma'am. Thank you so much for helping us out all the way in the MSc program since its beginning. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Now we would like to request Mr. Neeraj Chandu to kindly introduce himself. Sir, you may please.
Thank you, Malhar, and good to see everyone after a long time. Thank you very much for inviting me again to be a part of this curriculum. And congratulations to all those new students who have joined this prestigious place. I can tell one thing for sure, because I am an alumni of this college itself, and I consider myself absolutely fortunate to have been associated with this prestigious brand for over a decade now. Thank you, IHM, and thank you, Dr. Anshu and Principal Sir, for a wonderful association of all these years. To give you a brief about myself, Dr. Anshu, I'm going to hold a word that you just said, building block. That happens to be the name of my company, which is Building Block Customer Services.
Oh, really? No, sir, you are also one of the building blocks of master's program, sir.
I would always aspire to be one.
No, sir, you are. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much. Just to give a little brief about myself, my name is Neeraj Chandu, and I am a pass out and alumni of IHM PUSA, and have been associated with the IHM master's degree course for about a decade, or probably even more. And it's absolutely one of the most exciting assignment that I've been doing, and I think I gained the maximum by doing this assignment, personally and professionally both. And it's such an enriching aspect of my work to be associated. And I remember reading somewhere that somebody was talking somewhere that why do teachers teach? And I found a very interesting answer to that, which was that teachers teach because where else they would find such interesting company and such enriching company anywhere else. So that has kept me going all these years, and I don't want it to stop as long as we can. Just to give a brief about myself, I passed out from here and then I worked in the hospitality industry for about more than 2 decades. in different aspects, I have worked in almost very varied departments like material management to F&B to general management, and I've been able to work with some globally acclaimed luxury brands. After that, I started on my own. I started a company of my own, which is a consulting and a training company, and we consult and train different hotel brands in India and overseas. And we do projects which are small to big, right from a smaller restaurant to a bigger property. We also assist companies to turn from loss-making to profit-making companies. Have been able to convert few, and the team has been quite productive with some quite reputed brands worldwide. A little bit more about myself. I have also been associated with Food Safety India for master's training courses. I have also been associated with CII as an expert advisor for F&B. Other than that, I'm also author to 2 books, which is one is Customer Service, one is Customer Plus, and the other one is called Leadership Plus. The Customer Service book is an extensive book which researches about why customer service is so crucial and makes companies aim that number to be the highest priority number, which is to gain more customers. The second book is on leadership, which actually doing that changed my life in so many aspects in terms of how leadership is so often misunderstood. I'm working on my third book, which is about the fundamentals of hospitality, which is coming out probably sometime next month or by end of the year. I am a keen sportsman. I enjoy playing tennis and badminton and volleyball. And other than that, I'm a keen musician. I train in Indian classical music as a vocalist, and I pursue my music passion.
Expel kar do?
You've got into the best place possible in the country, and the only thing that you need to do after that is to match it up with your best efforts, and I think we'll all be doing fine. So we are already in the best place. We all have to put in best efforts, and it will just be fine. Thank you very much, Dr. Anshu, and IHM once again for inviting all of us and making us interact with this best quality students.
Thank you so much, and one of our most talented faculty in the MSc program.
Thank you.
Sir, sir is having a lot of more of the curriculum, apart curriculum, many activities. So during your classes, you will hear from. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now we would like to request Ms. Sunita Chaudhary to kindly introduce herself. Ma'am, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sunita. I'll start off with my introduction, and then we'll take it forward that how I got into IHM PUSA and how it is beneficial for me as in salesperson. So my name is Sunita Chaudhary. Presently, I'm working with a company called Cosmo Travel World, which is part of Air Arabia Airline, as Associate Director of Sales. I'm a hardcore salesperson for MICE. So with the grace of God, or it can be an opportunity for me to work with IHM PUSA. And for me, it's like feather and cap. By working with the IHM, I have learned the behavior of new generations, that how when you are dealing with a new generation as an audience or as a colleague of yours, that how their behavior is changing day by day and how it helps in understanding how to cope up with the new generation. This is one best part, which is very good for me. Another best part, which I liked, which is like feather in my cap, is basically because I'm a complete MICE person. So wherever I go for negotiation, I always take reference of IHM PUSA, and I always prefer to find whosoever is dealing with me in hotel. I first ask him where from you've done your IHM, and if he says like almost 80% of hotelier says that I'm from IHM, and I give that reference that okay, I'm also teaching, then now you give me best rate. So that's how it's helping me a lot, and it's actually booming my career also. This was all. I have a total of 20 years of experience in hardcore sales. I have sold hotels, I have sold airlines. I'm a like almost for 10 years, I'm a mice person, complete hardcore mice person. With reference to PUSA, it's like I started in 2012, I suppose. Yes, 2012, I started teaching in PUSA. And I have learned that I'm not a professional teacher though, but I have learned that while teaching, I could polish my skills. And there are a lot of students who are my colleagues also, who are not student no more, are like their colleagues also. And they help me in polishing my skills. For me, it's like a ongoing learning teaching in PUSA, and it's very helpful, very, very helpful for my career. And it's like day by day learning. It's not only from the students, it's from the faculties also, especially from Sakshi ma'am, Anshu ma'am. They have been so cooperative that I end up doing mess sometime and they are peacefully helping me out. So polite. I learn patience from them. And with reference to students, they are very cooperative. They help in assisting me in fixing up the technology part, and they also participate in the same way what I teach. So this is all really about the students. I really like that they equally participate, and this last 3-4 batches are like very wonderful. I really like them. That's all from my side.
Thank you, Sunita ma'am. Students will have real life experience in Sunita ma'am's class. She traveled worldwide and you'll have an experience that how to deal, how to go about things. Hats off to her managing everything. So thank you so much, ma'am, for joining MSc program and giving your time for master's students. Thank you.
One more thing I'd like to add is like before this year, I used to take all students for sales calls along with me. So I used to give them a live on experience of how to deal with client. We used to give them training in my office to deal. Unfortunately, due to COVID, we cannot give this year. But yes, after once this period is over, we'll definitely help you out in giving the live on experience how to deal with clients.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I'll request Ms. Sonia Sharma to kindly introduce us. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Sonia Sharma and I have been associated with this Premier Institute since 2014. And I have really had a passion for teaching and everything. So I believe in promoting self-thinking processes, right? I don't want you to give just, spoon feed you iska ek hi solution hai, because I am very much open to ideas, and I feel that in this world also there's nothing that can be actually taught in absolute terms. So for those things, I think if I help the students, if I help you guys to find a solution themselves, that is going to be more long lasting as well as more satisfying. And moreover, why am I in sales? Sales because somewhere I believe I am very dynamic sort of a person, and I also believe that things are changing. Sales gives you more of flexibility, more of freedom, more of understanding this dynamic environment, and obviously problem solving. वो तो मतलब जैसे हर किसी को लगता है यार इसकी problem हम solve कर लेंगे types वाला. So I had that agenda कि नहीं यार problem solving. So obviously if it is business or if it is personal, whatever. And moreover, I'm a proud mom of a 6-year-old daughter, and that's it. I have done my post graduation from Delhi School of Economics, and that's it from my side. Thank you guys.
Thank you, Sonia ma'am. Thank you so much. And students, again with Sonia ma'am, you'll have interesting sessions. Once we were hosting ma'am's class, even I liked the examples what ma'am was sharing. We were sharing the examples of 1980s and 90s. So it was very interesting to hear ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I'll request Colonel Sunil Arora to kindly introduce himself. Sir, please.
Thank you, Malar. A very good afternoon to all of you. Very good afternoon, Dr. Anshu ma'am, Principal.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon, ma'am. Good to see you, Neeraj sir, Sonia ma'am, Mamta ma'am, Smita ma'am, Meenakshi ma'am, everybody. Very cheerful faces, very young and energetic teachers at the finest institute called IHM PUSA. I am in comparison just an infant, just born, joined only last year. Though I have had the history of being at that location, doing my MBA with IITTM when it was co-located in one of the buildings where you have generally your master's classes. So I spent 2 years there learning various tricks and trades away from the army about tourism. Well, I tried to apply them when I was with IITM, teaching with them for about 5 years or so. That's where I developed a little interest of exchanging ideas. I do not consider myself a teacher as such, but I do consider that exchange of ideas is also a learning process. I've had the fortune of being born in the army atmosphere. Grandfather, father, my elder brother, my youngest brother, all being in the army. Self having spent about 32 years in the army, having done a lot of activities. That's the good fortune of being in the army, that you are a jack of many trades, master of very few of them. So the activities that I possibly got into with great good luck and God's grace, I was a national and international horse rider for about 10 years. I have done riding events, including tent pegging and show jumping and cross-country riding. I've had the opportunity to do 2 international events as whitewater rafting, starting from the Indo-Tibet border, coming down to Bay of Bengal. 35 days experience covered with the BBC. Amazing experience where we had a worldwide Irish from BBC, from America, a lot of people who had climbed Everest, people who had climbed Alps, people who had swum the English Channel. There was a girl, 23-year-old, who had cycled down from central China to India via Tibet, and they had taken about 2.5 years to do that. So amazing amount of adventurous experience people had, and it was a great learning to be with them. So to be associated with somebody who has that kind of experience itself is a great learning. Just listening to them really opens up your eyes as to what can happen. Kind courtesy, my daughter, who happens to be in Netherlands, I have had the opportunity to travel UK, almost about 17 countries, Europe, Dubai, and whatnot. And that itself has been also a great experience as far as tourism and associated, connected things with tourism are concerned, be it hotel, be it the other services which are provided. And that light is something which I share as personal examples one has seen over life. So in that light, I thought it would be a good idea to be associated, and experience sharing would be beneficial both ways as such. And each day I'm learning new things, because the new generation, let me be very clear, they are very clear in their mind. Unlike we were a little confused and not really knowing, not having too many openings, the present generation is very, very clear. They know exactly where they wish to be 5 years from now, 10 years from now. They have their goals, they have their orientation. So they do a really great job of how life is to be treated. And they are not fixated. They are also very cooperative, collaborative. That's a great thing, which is the requirement today. So that has been my life experience. And having been associated with both IITTM and the council itself, where also I taught the first master's program when they started over there for a few sessions. And that's how I got introduced to IHM Pusa last year. And everybody's been very kind in the staff to me to have reconsidered me for a second tenure. I do hope that I get another tenure thereafter. And I'm able to contribute to the cause of building the leadership that you people are going to hold for the future. So you are the future. God bless. You have joined the Premier Institute. Be proud of it. A good fortune I had of introducing my younger brother to one of the webinars which was held. And it happened that 2 of the luminaries who are big names in your industry have been closely associated with him. So that was a good learning, an amazing way forward. So once again, wishing all of you the very best. Have a very bright future. Do your best. I know these are difficult times, and you will be coming out just when the difficult times would be ending. So that is a time when the industry, I presume, would be really opening up to you people. The present lot will be passing out, maybe having a little difficult time, but stay steadfast. You will find your way and you will be the best. And you are a brand recognized world over. I have experienced it. As somebody was saying that they have benefited because of IHM, and yes, it is. They have benefited, and I have also found that that association matters. So you belong to a fantastic place. Make the best of it. And once again, thank you very much to all the good teachers. So kind of you. Cooperation has been great as far as I am concerned. Thankful to it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for the kind words for the institute and for the department. Sir, students, I just wanted to share that, sir, in being into defense, taking care of the best HR, that we look forward, the Indians look that defense is having the best HR. So you'll get a very good insight of union management in the final year, how to deal with the HR of your organization. So we look forward, sir, for guiding our students. Thank you so much, sir, for your time and joining us here. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Now I'd like to request Dr. Meenakshi Ganesh to kindly introduce us. Ma'am, please.
Thank you, Malar. Am I audible, please?
Yes, ma'am, you're clearly audible. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Anshu ma'am. And it's great to see everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
After the Teachers' Day celebrations we had. And it's indeed a great privilege and great happiness that I'm associated with such a premier institute. For the last 3 semesters I've been taking. That's not my fault because we've just moved to Delhi 2 years back. So, and I'm really happy. I've been teaching for the last 18 years in various colleges throughout the country. And a very warm welcome to our freshers in the first place. You need to be really proud of yourselves to be associated with one of the greatest institutes in the country. And about a brief introduction about myself. I have a doctorate in behavioral sciences, and my specialization is human behavior at work. And I've got a MBA with a specialization in marketing. And my area of interest and the articles and papers that I write have been a little I'm a little swayed towards human behavior at work, being a psychotherapist. I have an MS in psychotherapy and counseling. So I study human behavior. But I'm putting my PG specialization, that's marketing, to good use. I'm teaching marketing here, which I really love to do because there is nothing without market and selling. Okay, that's practically that's what the thing is all about. And you make a lot of hue and cry saying so many words, but ultimately we are here for profit maximization. So I'm indeed very, very happy teaching final years. I'm right now I'm teaching principles of marketing, and I've been moving a lot for the last 20 years. We've been on the move, thanks to my husband, who's an army officer. So I've had the great privilege of meeting so many people, having life experiences in so many different colleges, so many different places. But in IHM Pusa, I learned a lot. We work cohesively. The faculty members are actually, they bail you out whenever you are in a problem, or whenever, and they're always there with open hands. They always give you a helping hand whenever you want anything out of them, and they help you out. And you really have a lot to develop from. You have a lot of opportunity, and as students, you will gain a lot from your esteemed faculty members, because they've had in their own way and their own foot. They have been doing pretty good. So I think you are in one of those blessed hands. And for me, I would cherish being associated with the college for quite some time now, and I'd like to continue teaching. I've been teaching for the last 18 years, so teaching is my bread and butter. And though I do training in corporates too, I'm a corporate trainer, but basically I'm a teacher. So I'm learning, and I'm trying to impart whatever life experiences and whatever learning that I'm getting from my day-to-day experiences to my students. And that's how it is. It's just an kind of a you give me and I give you. We grow from each other. That's what learning is all about. And I'm really happy that you invited me today to this STEAM gathering, and I'm very happy that this association of mine will continue for a long time. Now, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Students, ma'am is one of the most enthusiastic faculty in our group. So, and she is again one, as Neeraj sir, one of the most talented faculty with other curricular activities. She is into it, and you'll have great session with ma'am. Ma'am का तो she usually writes Roger ma'am मैं ही डर जाती हूँ. So it's so exciting to have that word. Now that energy comes from that word, ma'am. Roger, what you use.
Roger.
It's very nice, ma'am. Thank you so much to be associated with our institute and guiding our students. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thanks, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am. So sweet of you. Thanks.
Thank you, Dr. Ganesh. Now I'll request, we'll check if Ms. Radhika Pant is available with us. Radhika ma'am, if you're with us. I'm afraid she's not here. We will move.
Yes, Malhar ma'am is not there.
Let's move across. Now I request Ms. Neenal Bhargav to kindly introduce herself. Please.
You'll be seeing two of me here. Maybe a bit of, let's say, technology challenged or whatever. Ma'am asked to, sign in with our own names. But before I could do, I think it took me with the IHM Pusa. So I signed in with my own name from the mobile. So I'm keeping it both on. I hope I'm audible.
Ma'am, but slight echo is coming. So you can mute one of your devices.
One is muted. It's already muted.
Okay. Not an issue, ma'am. Please continue.
I'll keep the other one away, or I'll just exit from one. It's okay. Yeah. I think it should be. It's fine now, is it? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. It's much better. Thank you.
I'm Neenal Bhargav. I've been teaching consumer behavior and services marketing for the final year MSc students for the past 2 years now. All thanks to Anshu ma'am, who pulled me out of sabbatical. I think my trajectory has some commonality with Dr. Meenakshi, as she said. I've also been moving around a lot because of my husband's posting, being in the Indian Police Service. So I've been working on and off, so as to say. I started my career with Gati as a management trainee. Then I moved on as Assistant Manager Customer Relations with their sister concern, TCI Finance Limited. But very early on in my career, let's say just about 2 or 3 years into it, I switched to teaching. So as and when we were posted in bigger cities where, I could have opportunities to teach. So I've been teaching as a guest faculty in various colleges of Baroda, Ahmedabad, wherever, because my husband being a Gujarat cadre officer. Then I took on a full-time faculty position with the National Institute of Cooperative Management situated in Gandhinagar. So I taught continuously for 10 years there as a regular faculty of marketing. And post my husband's deputation to the central CRPF here in Delhi, as well as in Ajmer, of course in Assam also, for these 7 years he was posted at various locations also. But so I took a sabbatical. But of course, when we were posted in my hometown from where I did my schooling as well as my college also, so I was a guest faculty at my own university also, at MDS University. And coming to Delhi, thanks to Anshu ma'am, I got connected to IHM, and I do feel lucky because, you know, I know everyone, those who are teaching can, you know, empathize with me that we feel lost if we don't take a class or we don't interact with the students. Sadly, we are not able to do it on a, you know, face-to-face basis this time. But then again, it's a new beginning, a new learning every time. Coming to my academics, I've been born and brought up in Ajmer, known as the, you know, education city of old years. So I did my schooling from Sophia Ajmer. Then I did my BSc with maths. Then I did my MSc in physics. Then after my MSc physics, suddenly I think I moved fences. I did my MBA from MDS University Ajmer. Post that, of course, I moved to Gujarat, and before Gujarat, of course, to Hyderabad, and where all I started my corporate career, followed by my teaching career. So I am a proud academician. Of course, I would like to, you know, go back to it full time very soon, once we return to the cadre by next year. But you know, keeping me connected to teaching, thanks a lot, Anshu ma'am, because I was missing it for you know, almost 2-3 years that I couldn't. As far as a message for my students, I know, you know, with online teaching and trying to, you know, finish the syllabus, sometimes it becomes too monotonous. Of course, given a choice, I would like it to be, you know, very interactive, given the nature of, you know, the subject that I'm teaching, especially services, and all the more consumer behavior. But, you know, sometimes the time limit is such that we need to, you know, focus on the, you know, the larger goals that are in hand. That is why we are unable to sometimes, you know, take it up the practical aspects of it. And you might wonder, why do I, you know, keep, you know, putting it, the focus on exam and all? Why? Because I was a regular faculty in the university system for quite long. So I know, you know, certain things that matter ultimately. And to give you an example, when I did my MBA, I had topped my university. So years later, almost 21 years later, when I decided to pursue my, you know, doctorate, when my husband got posted again to Ajmer, that is again where I tried to put in. So in this duration, things had changed radically. You needed to appear for an entrance exam, fight for a seat, and then go in for a, you know, 6 months rigorous course of research methodology. And I could do it because I had very good grades in my MBA then. You know, in the meantime, I had cleared my NET also, national eligibility test. So that proved a gateway to, you know, gaining admission to, you know, satisfying one of the conditions. But having topped the university at that particular point of time, you know, these two combined factors, I could still stand in the merit list of the, you know, research students 22 years after I returned to the same city. So, of course, practical knowledge is needed all the time, but these academics also hold you in good stead. So, all the best to the new entrants who have joined. As faculty before me have been telling you, you are very, very lucky to be there. Okay. Because you've made it, sometimes you may feel कि ये है, वो है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, but just think one day कि अगर आपका उस entrance की list में नाम नहीं होता, तो how you would have feel. Then you would come back to, you know, the linkages, that how important it is that you hold a seat in this prestigious institute. So all the best to you, and don't worry about, you know, just concentrate on the present. Don't worry about what's going to happen, how the placement scene is going to be. Everybody has a place. Everybody finds their place. Okay. So all the best. Take care and best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Meenal ma'am. If there is a will, there is a way out. So this is how we got connected.
Thank you so much.
So thanks to us, stay connected. So we look forward for a great session ahead from your side. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Bhatter. Now I request Mr. Ankit Mishra to kindly introduce himself.
Thank you, Malhar. Thank you, Madam. Session.
Thank you.
Respected principal sir, my colleagues, dear students, I am IHM, Greater Noida.
Social behavior. आवाज नहीं आ रही ना?
Am I audible?
Yes, so I believe the network went away, in between.
Okay, thank you.
May restart. Thank you.
Mishra, assistant professor in a private IHM. In my qualification, I did my graduation. Post graduation, I did MTech in. After that, I did MPhil from JNU, and currently pursuing PhD. I am teaching from last 8 years, hotel engineering research methodology to MBA. First of all, I would like to congratulate all of you to join IHM PUSA for post-graduation student. Post-graduation and graduation both are quite differ, and whatever you had learned in your undergraduation, definitely you will implement it. Try to in Bloom's taxonomy. So definitely in information technology, that is the IGNOU subject, we will learn many more. We will try to clear the concepts of the information technology, how it works, how body. So definitely once I for their career. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. IT is one subject that is in demand now in this pandemic. So we really look forward that how we can overcome the online aspects through your subject, sir. So please share all your experiences related to IT so that we can overcome these aspects. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Ms. Sakshi Sharma to kindly introduce herself.
A very good evening to all of you. I said I was waiting it for this and coming to the last of the segment. In very few words, I will try to speak. Well, I have been fortunate enough to be part of IHM PUSA and it's been 10 years. And I find myself lucky by God's grace that this is the first place where I actually started my work after doing my post-graduation in food science and nutrition and then formally being trained into the teaching segment, that is I did my B.Ed and then joined this organization. And to be very true, this organization has shaped me in taking my subjects, giving me so many opportunities, and now assisting MSc program with Anshu ma'am. I have learned a lot and I'll be throughout my life, I am going to be really grateful to this organization that they have accepted me so nicely into it, though I'm not being from the same background. And regarding what I do in the college, I take subjects of science, hygiene and sanitation for our graduation and diploma courses. And along with that, for you people, I will be taking research in the second semester. So I'll be meeting you then when I'll be taking my classes. Little bit more. Now I have been added with the responsibility of girls hostel warden too. So I'll be meeting few of the girls for that as well. And similarly, along with Anshu ma'am, I'm also one of the member in the editorial board of IHM PUSA's journal. So I welcome you all with open-heartedly and with all your things that you are going to come across. Please feel free to be connected in case of any doubts, we are there to help you out in all the situations, because we are all here for our learning. So enjoy your 2 years of MSc, and I wish you all the best for your bright future ahead. Thank you so much. And Shweta Mishra ma'am is also one of the faculty of MSc, and ma'am is busy with her exam of 6th semester, so she is not able to join us, but she is going to take the subject of school behavior when you will be coming to your final years. Thank you so much. Over to you, Malhar, now.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Malhar, now we have a very important person who is an important segment of our MSc department. Without him, we cannot run our administrative work. So now we have Mahesh sir with us, who is just going to come here and introduce himself, because he is the one filling up all the forms of the students. All examination aspects are covered because of him only.
Indeed.
So, yes.
All the
So now,
students must know that he's the go-to person for all administrative queries.
yes, you all have to come and meet him for your things getting done. He is the person who is the backbone and handle all the things, because we are running in our classes and he is the one who listens all the queries. So I bring in front of you Mahesh sir for this. Just a moment.
Good evening MSc faculties and MSc students. मैं MSc में मैम के साथ MSc असिस्ट करता हूँ, और MSc से रिलेटेड जितना भी आपका जो भी काम होगा उसके लिए मैं हमेशा अवेलेबल रहूँगा. एंड थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much, Mahesh sir. Thank you once again.
Now, we thank all our faculty members for their presence and an amazing participation. I'm sure the new batch of masters will be enlightened with your continuous support and guidance. We also thank our audience for joining us today.
We once again welcome our new batch of MSc Hospitality Administration and wish them good luck for their journey ahead with us. All the students are requested to join the session tomorrow by 10 a.m. with the link shared over your email. Thank you so much.
Malhar, just a minute. Students, tomorrow are 3 sessions for you. First one is related to how to deal with drug abuse. So we have a very expert person from the narcotics department. And Lakshmi Rao, she also gives the insight how you have to deal with the coming situations now and then. So you have to be hearing and know how to deal in future, whatever problems come in front of you. And third, and the most important one, is an interaction. And we will have Mr. Ashwani Nair. He is, I'm not sharing the designation because I'm not sure, because I'm still waiting for his profile. So one of the top shot from the industry. So please be on time tomorrow to be there for every session. So, and show best of your behavior. We are seeing that today also in the online system. We have to keep ourselves muted and whenever required, and we can open up our mic and put the questions on the chat box if you have. So looking forward, and I request quickly one by one, as per the name you're seeing on the participant list, I request you to open up your video so that we can quickly have a look of each other. Thank you so much. Come on, students, in my list, first of all, it's Akansha Panchal. She is an IHM PUSA student. Akansha, can you open up your video quickly and just say your name? Yeah. Can you open up your video?
Am I
Yes.
audible now?
You're audible and visible. Thank you, Akansha.
Good evening, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Next,
ma'am.
Ankit Baral.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Welcome, Ankit.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, you're from which institute?
Ma'am,
Quickly
I'm
say.
from IHM Bhubaneswar.
Okay, so our principal sir is also from IHM Bhubaneswar. He's an alumnus of IHM Bhubaneswar. You know?
Yes, ma'am.
So looking forward to excel in the industry and one day become a principal or a salesperson.
Sure, ma'am.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Arjun Lalhal. Again, a PUSA
Hi,
alumnus.
ma'am. Hi, everyone. My name is Arjun. I am from IHM Pusa, and I've been working with Lemon Tree Hotels for the past 3 years now. So now I've decided to pursue my master's degree, and it's great to be back in IHM Pusa.
Good decision, Arjun. Education is never late. So let's hope we have a wonderful session.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Next is Arpit Pratap Singh.
Hello.
Arpit Pratap Singh.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are
Am I
audible.
audible? Yes.
Yes.
Hello, my name is Arpit Pram, and I am from IHM Ahmedabad.
Good evening, Arpit.
Good evening,
Great.
ma'am.
Yeah, looking forward for a fruitful years ahead. Arushi Bhatnagar. I'm impressed. Few of you are sitting well groomed. Very nice.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir. My name is Arushi Bhatnagar and I'm from IHM Lucknow.
Great. So Sahil Rizvi, a junior of yours.
Yes, I know Sahil Rizvi, sir. He was my third year.
Yes. Great. Thank you, Arushi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Divya. I hope Divya is a student. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Divya, is Divya ma'am? No. Yes.
Good evening. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Divya.
I'm from Hajipur. It's great to see myself standing at IHM Pusa. I feel very lucky to be a part of this in the future. Thank you so much.
You're from which IHM? I couldn't hear.
IHM Hajipur, ma'am.
Okay, great. Welcome, Divya.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Harman Kaur.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Harman Kaur and I am from IHM Lucknow School.
You're from IHM?
Lucknow.
Lucknow. Another Lucknow person. Great. So you have your exam tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
At what time?
I'm at 10 a.m. in the morning.
Till?
Ma'am, till 2.
So you can join on the afternoon session, Harman?
Yes, ma'am,
Right?
for sure.
Thank you. Welcome. Inderdeep Singh.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Inderdeep Singh. I am a pass out of IHM Bhopal, class of 2007, and I have 10 plus years of experience both in operations and other departments of the hotel.
Yes, Inderdeep, I was reading the certificates. It was a line of so many certificates you have attached. So we look forward that you are going to help your batchmates and giving them idea how the industry goes.
Sure, ma'am. Of course, I'll try my level best.
Thank you, Inderdeep.
You're welcome.
Just
Good evening, ma'am. Am I audible?
yes, just correct.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Jaspreet Singh. I have pursued my bachelor's from AIHM Chandigarh, and I have been working with Reliance Brands Limited in Amphis brand as in a virtual merchandiser. Thank you. It's been great and excited to study with IHM Pusa.
Thank you, Jaskaran. Welcome to IHM Pusa.
Thank you, ma'am.
Jay Prakash Ray. Jay Prakash, are you there?
Yeah, I'm audible.
Yes, Jay Prakash.
We can hear you, but if you could speak louder, it's very faint. If you could please speak louder. Thank you.
Good evening. I'm from IHM Gurdaspur. Currently, I'm working with JW Marriott New Delhi Aerocity. It's for me.
Welcome, Jay. Looking forward for your experiences you can share in the class. Kavita.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Kavita. I'm from IHM Jaipur.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kavita. I hope your exams are done for 6th semester, or you have a break in between. We can't hear you. You're on mute.
Ma'am, my practical exams are going on. Only front office practical is left.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Then we have Pankaj Bhatia. Pankaj Bhatia.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes.
My name is Pankaj Bhatia. I have completed my bachelor from Banasida Chandiwala Institute of Hotel Management, and I was working with ITC Hotels as a management trainee. And my last position was assistant manager, and I was posted in Andaman. And that's it about me. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward for that.
अपनी वीडियो तो ऑन कर सकते हो, पंकज?
Actually, ma'am, it is a bit of technical error in it. I don't know why it is not getting open.
कोई बात नहीं, अगली बारी मिलेंगे, ठीक है?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
परमीत.
Very good evening to all the faculty members and my colleagues. I am Parmeet from IHM Shimla.
Good evening, Parmeet.
Ma'am, I'm Parmeet. Pursued my BSc in the batch of 2019 from IHM Shimla.
Okay. So coming, and you are staying where, Parmeet? In Shimla or?
Ma'am, I'm in Hisar. I'm staying in Hisar, ma'am.
Fine. So you must have enjoyed your 3 years in cold weather, right? Now you have to come to
Yes,
Delhi,
ma'am.
and
Yes, ma'am.
once you are in Delhi, you have to be in a Hisar weather now, right?
Sure, ma'am. All right, ma'am.
All the best. Shantanu Singh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Another alumnus of IHM Pusa. So we have how many, Malar?
So far, 3. I'm keeping the count.
3. अभी देखना, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Shantanu.
Ma'am, I'm from IHM Pusa itself, and it's really good to be there. I'm working.
So Naini, there are Shantanu. अपना वीडियो खोलो.
You can repeat, yeah. You were not audible.
Now it's audible, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah,
इस माइक को पास में ही रखो. माइक को पास में रखो. आप बोलो। कुछ तो गड़बड़ है भाई तुम्हारे माइक में, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा। कभी कभी आ जाती है, कभी गायब हो जाती है।
Ma'am, I believe we'll move across. Shantanu is a 2019 batch pass out for your information, everyone. We'll move across to Shikhar Chaurasi.
Yes, Shikhar.
Audible, ma'am?
Yes.
A very good evening, ma'am.
Count is 4, ma'am.
Shikhar is our student.
Audible, ma'am?
Ah,
Yes,
yes, he is.
Well, it's very good to be back here again, and I'm very excited to join the college and next coming month only.
आओ तुम मिलते हैं, ठीक है? चलिए, सृष्टि, कमल, good luck Shikhar and Shantanu. Shrishti, Kamal.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shrishti Kamal, and I'm from AIHM Chandigarh, and currently running home bakery in lockdown.
Oh, Prakhar, सिखा के आए हो AIHM से, हाँ?
Yes.
So, people from AIHM are good in bakery. Now I can understand. So welcome, Shrishti.
Thank you.
Shubham Gupta. हमारा student. Shubham, are you there?
I'm audible to you, ma'am?
Yes, you are.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Shubham Gupta, and I am a pass-out student of IHM Bangalore. And
Can you open up your video, Shubham, if you can? नीरज सर, वो याद है ना, मिल तो ले, है ना सर? सर म्यूट पे हैं आप, म्यूट पे हैं.
Very true. I am just wanting to see as many faces because digital में everybody has found an excuse not to show their face.
सर आगे आप क्लास में यही फेस करोगे, तभी हमने कहा आज ही खुलवा लेते हैं. So Shubham, can you open up your video? Oh, sorry, video. अभी उसका मूड नहीं है शायद. हाँ शुभम, चलो कोई बात नहीं. स्नेक और सचदेव.
Yes, ma'am, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, hi, my name is Nikor Suchdev and I'm a pass out of IHM Goa. I'm currently working with Air India.
Oh, great. So the flights are on, or Vande Bharat flights you are flying, or you have stopped?
Yes, no, it's still on.
Still on. So how you're going to work out the both ends, studies and work?
Oh, I'm currently on notice period, so it's ending within a week, I guess. So my last day of working would be 25th October.
Okay. So good. Please share your experiences of flying.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Shubhadeep. Next वाला नाम तो बहुत लंबा है.
good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Shubhadeep.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Shubhadeep. I'm from Kolkata, and I'm a pass out of IHM Kolkata.
Great. So you have just passed out in 2019?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right. So welcome.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
hope to see you in Delhi soon.
Sure, ma'am. So forward looking you all.
Thank you. Swarnima? Fine. So how's Kritika, ma'am?
She's doing good.
Okay. So we really miss her here at Pusa. So Thank you, Swarnima. Looking forward to meet you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Danish,
Good evening.
बोलो भाई कहाँ रह गए? हाँ जी.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Ma'am, my name is Varun Bhadoria and I am from IHM Jaipur.
बढ़िया. So, मैम कैसी हैं वहाँ पे? वो वाली मैम नाम क्या था? जयपुर. एक आप ही मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा, मैं तुमसे बाद में बात करती हूँ. ठीक है. चलो.
Bashir ma'am?
Welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank
You
you,
stay
ma'am.
also in Jaipur?
Yes, ma'am. Till now I was studying in college, so I was there. But since lockdown, I am in Kanpur.
Okay, fine, great. So, Bashir ma'am है वहाँ पे और Sharbani ma'am, right?
Shabani ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
She's a good friend of mine. Right. So, thank you. Right. I hope the list is over. So, thank you, faculty members. I really appreciate that you took time today with all of us in welcoming our MSc previous. We look forward for a great session ahead. And from heart, thank you once again, all of you, and students, welcome to IHM Pusa. And my MSc final year students, thank you so much. You have been the support all the time. And we keep on disturbing you all. So, वो तो हम करेंगे, आगे भी करेंगे.
Not at all.
चलिए.
You're
Thank
most
you so
welcome,
much.
ma'am. I request everyone to join on the link that's been shared on your email tomorrow, 15 minutes before time. It's been mailed to you. Please check your mail.
Ma'am, one question: Is there a tea party organized after this?
बिल्कुल अपने कप लेके आइए.
मैं ले आऊँ.
हम पानी की बोतल से काम चलाते हैं. हम पानी की बोतल से काम चलाते हैं.
Colonel Saab, good to see you.
Bye. Thank you, Colonel sir, Mamta ma'am, Meenakshi ma'am, Sunita ma'am, Meenal ma'am, Sonia ma'am, Neeraj sir.
Colonel Arora, bye. Neeraj sir, bye.
Hope I'm not.
Bye.
Bye. Take care. All of you. We are preaching social distancing.